Let's edit the Carousel tool. Add a new section to where you want your carousel to be. Select the gray plus icon and add the Carousel tool. Similar to the Tab tool. Click on the inner edge of the carousel box to bring up a small menu on the top right corner, and it will show you a drop-down menu, and allow you to switch between editing slides. Click on the drop-down menu and you will see that you are able to add an additional slides, which is optional. You can then add a layout to your first slide. Select one most feasible, and then click on the gray plus icon to add a tool. The editing process is similar to the Tab tool. If you do not remember how to edit the image tool, you can refer to an earlier video on our YouTube channel regarding the image tool. With the image tool, don't forget to edit the size of the image according to your content. Once you are done adding content to your first slide, click on the inner edge of the carousel box to bring up the drop-down list to switch slides. You can then repeat the same adding and editing process as you did on the first slide. Select your next layout according to your content, and then select the tools that you want to add in. The tools will have their same editing features, allowing you to edit accordingly. You can then click on the inner edge of the carousel box to bring up the drop-down list to switch slides once again. The bin icon will allow you to delete slides as you wish. You can repeat the same adding and editing process. Click on Edit Carousel to edit the entire carousel. These tools will allow you to edit how fast the carousel will switch between slides or set it on autoplay. You can pause the autoplay, show controls and indicators, as well as edit the size of the entire carousel.